Welcome back at CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about GTC USDT trading pair with my customer here said Gitcoin main bull run plan. Let's dive in. This is a chart from Max weekly time frame. On this playlist, if you are new on this channel, we analyze the accumulation distribution zones for investments, not for just local swing trades. So I recommend you go and check the pinned message where you can find out the Notion list with over than 300 different details, analysis of different altcoins. So this is a chart from May 2021. Basically, it's April, May 2021. It was a end of bull run for altcoins. But brand new altcoins which listed on that time period, they formed the new all-time high when the Bitcoin formed the double top. So basically we can count in two ways this fib for GTC. First one is from top to the main support. Here's a consolidation and we crash it, touch and crash it inside 27 block. Now we're still inside 27 block at this current moment. The capitulation for Gitcoin based on this fib, we can add 1.0 and drop to 0.04. For example, or we can trade just consolidate in this range between like $2 and 80 cents. Or we can count the fib by line chart, this one, and count the fib, let's hide this one. We can count in this way. So this is a top, this is a pure support, this one, and we trade like under 27 block. So this is a more positive, right, moment for Gitcoin. On candles, it looks like this one. So this is a consolidation, right? This inside 27 block, try and breaking out, reject, and now we one more time try and breaking out 27 level below. But I will count the first one, fib, this one, and I would like to show you on example how high we can move. First of all, like you can see, we got a pure liquidity pools. This one, let's mark with a line chart. So this one, or two liquidity pools, or just two equal highs. This one. So anyway, this first levels, it's around $9.53. So 23 level by fib, it's 11.53. It's going to be like a first main global zone where more than okay will be fixed some profit. Why I talk about a fixation? Because we never know how long or if we will see the alt season, we will move, right? So take a look. If we count, for example, this one from low, this was a low in August 2023, because we can't catch the bottom and we can't catch the top. So 0.23 low by fib, sweep of these equal highs, is going to be 1,300% gains. So it's more than good to fix some profit. What is good basically for Gitcoin now? We got pretty small circulation supply and pretty small market cap at this current moment. If we take a look at the historical move, so this is a historical chart. The highest point of the price was by max. It was like $28.95. Based on drop step, it was the price 22.85, and based on coin market cap, the highest point 24.49. So basically, three totally different data prices for this coin. So we will count in average, right? And based on this circulation supply, we got over than 66% coins in circulation supply. What we can see if we will hit $11.53. So $11.53, it's going to be 764 million market cap. What the highest point of the market cap was for Gitcoin? It was here. So around 350 at highest point, right? So at 11.51, we will see like twice bigger market cap than it was here. So that's the point of unlocks, right? So in every single video, I explain you this moment. And for example, to hit new all-time high, just for example, sweep this high, it's like from this low 3,600% gains. It's going to be like, let's say 29.50, 29.50, almost 2 billion market cap. It's possible. It's more than real to see. You know, you also have to know, so the Gitcoin traded on all major exchanges and Coinbase especially, right? So I'm not telling you if some coin traded on Coinbase, it's something special coin. No, I just tell you it's okay because this coin got liquidity, got holders, got investors. Everything looks good at this current moment. From low in August 2023 to hit 1.61 level by FIB, you know, because this was end of bull run and this is not a main cycle, you know, for this token. So we're going in a downtrend. So basically we over than 2 years in a downtrend. So we never seen how the Gitcoin perform in a real bull run. So $43, it's more than real to see if we will hit around the 3 billion market cap, 2.8 billion market cap. So personally for me, you know, what a plan can be for Gitcoin. If you accumulate it now, or if you accumulate during all this time period, you just build a good average entry. Of course, we can drop lower. Yes, absolutely. You just add more and build a DCA using DCA strategy, dollar cost average entry, right? So for example, your entry is around $1.23 current moment. All right. So the plan, when we sweep the actual highs, you can fix some profit at 940. So for example, you fix 20%. So it's just a plan, right? So you have to build a own strategy, how, when, what amount of coins sell, you know, when buy back. At this block, it's more than okay to fix profit at 0.5 and 61. So 1754, 2023. You can sell like 30%. So it's going to be 50%. At the sweep of a new high, you can sell one more 20%. So 70% already sold and leave like 20 or 30% coins for potential crazy gains, right? For a new all-time high and for 1.61 level by FIB. But build your own plan when to fix profit. That's why, guys, base it on the FIB, base it on the chart. I showed you the potential zones and we're still in more than okay zone for accumulation. But let's take a look with my custom indicator set, what's going on and what the whales especially do now. What is good? On a weekly time frame here, all this time period starting from $5.55, here we formed the huge divergence. Take a look. This is a huge accumulation, right? Then we drop it down to, let's say, $1.48 and even drop in August 23 to 81 cents. So we formed the huge divergence on a weekly time frame based on an ADZ indicator. So it's bullish. Like you can see on a weekly time frame, we're just in the middle. Yes, we have chance drop one more time lower than the 80 cents, right? It's more than okay. We're forming the even bigger divergence. But this is not a right time to out of this coin like investment. Personally, by my vision, right? So time to out of this coin will be when we will start to see something similar, but at the top, this one. Also, here in summer 2023, in autumn, it was a great time for accumulation. And we didn't pump so much, right? It's good. It's more a positive than negative, right? So the monthly time frame also, we laid down a bottom on direction, and here was accumulation. Though no distribution, nothing. So this is not a euphoria or madness on a chart or everybody scream about we need to out of Gitcoin. No. Take a look. Every single time when you see on a market mood, this one gray zone, it's good time to buy. Now we're in the green zone, it's a hope zone. But anyway, it's not a madness like it was here, for example. Take a look on this one, money power. Here, money inflow. So the whales care more about a time, you know, not about a price. So they bought, for example, money inflow in February 2022 at $5.55, then invest more money at $1.70. So the average price, for example, we can imagine, right, like $3, let's say $3. So imagine if you invest the millions at $9, you will be 200% in profit. So it's a big deal, right? So you can withdraw initial deposit and leave free coins. And take a look, somebody accumulated also here when we got at RSI, the words one touch, $1.27, and June 23, 88 cents. Then we got a money outflow, so some whales out of this coin. Now I would like to see, of course, I wish to see some money inflow again. like confirmation. So the whales accumulate this coin for distribution, for potential distribution. Monthly time frame, like you can see. Also, the biggest accumulation was here in August 23. This one, 78 cents, 84. Now we're just in the middle. So we need to see a long-time period traded here at the top and the same signal to distribute your coin. So that's the point of money power indicator. Trade on, based on trade on weekly monthly time frame. No data, weekly time frame. Here was a signal to sell. All these triangles, it's signals for accumulation, and we get a signal to sell. Last one, signal to sell was here in March. From that time, we dropped like 60%. So basically now I would like to see one more drop down and new signal for accumulation or even signal to buy. So this is what I would like to see. So potential targets, I would like to see something like this one, sweep of low, retest, and start building the order flow, right? Bullish order flow. Then maybe retest and go into new high. So that's the point, right? For this coin. And last indicator is take profit. Take profit, what is good? Now, for Gitcoin, we traded way under fundamental value. So the last line is fundamental value. We bounce it over then exit line, reject it, and come back and retest on a weekly time frame, their buy line. So the negative scenario, if we will go and test this one, fundamental value again, it's 72 cents. Is it possible? Of course, yes. It's like 41%. Based on what we have to and why we have to drop 41%. Of course, not in one candle or so, but everything possible. Just be careful with your expectation. And if you believe in this project like investment, you can accumulate step by step. And I mark all this zone, it's okay, time to buy. Zones were more than okay to fix profit, sweep of these equal highs, this block, and potential new all-time high. So all targets I showed you. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.